How to use the InkSeps browser-based color separation beta. In order to work with InkSeps, you're going to need the latest version of either the Firefox or the Google Chrome web browsers. Internet Explorer will not support this technology. You should also create an account and be logged in. We'll come over here to click to open an image or a file. I'll select this image here and click open. That will open my image. Hovering over my image, I can push in with my center mouse wheel to zoom in on any area in my artwork or my file. I can also left click, hold down, and pan around. I'll zoom back out. I can come over here to select the language. I can come here to go to help and preview video tutorials. Here's where I can download my separations when I'm done working with my file. Here I can reset or restart or do another separation. Here I can include gray in my color separations. If your image has a lot of gray in it, then you might want to print the gray as opposed to trying to simulate all the gray with black and white. I'll turn that off. Here we can see in our channels that our first layer or channel is our original. We can turn that on or off with the eye icon. We can see that as we have it turned on and we turn it off, there's no difference between our original and our color separations. I can turn off my black channel with the eye icon just by clicking on it and see what I've got for hue and saturation in the background. I'll go ahead and turn that back on. I can also delete or remove channels with the delete icon here next to the eye icon. I can expand a channel and I can get to some tools. I can make a saturation adjustment, which is very easy to do. Here I am on the magenta channel and I can bump up my magenta saturation or I can reduce it. And you can see that that is a live adjustment to the color separation. I also have curves that I can work with, and this is a tone curve. I can go to a linear mode. I can left click, push that up, and you can see the effect on my magenta channel, or I can darken that up and you can see the change in the color based on the tone curve adjustment. I'll go ahead and select cancel there. I can also change a layer's color. Let's say that I wanted to print red instead of magenta. I could change that to a red and click apply, and I will replace the red with magenta. I'll go ahead and click cancel here. Once I'm done with my separations, all I need to do is click download. My separations will be packaged and I'll have the ability to save the file as a zip file to my downloads folder in my computer. So that's how easy it is to work with the InkSeps browser-based color separation beta. We'll wrap here and we'll continue in our next tutorial.